Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Capital One account. Follow these steps to enable this feature quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Security section in the menu. This is where you can manage your security preferences. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication or Two-step verification. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as via text message or email. Follow the prompts to enter your phone number or email address. Step 5. Confirm and activate. After entering your information, you may receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm your choice and activate two-factor authentication for your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Capital One account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information up to date to ensure you receive your verification codes.